BMW presents Part 2. We survived. More complete than ever. Yeah, I guess still kind of a bit wobbly. Yeah, I'm not sure though. Maybe with the weight of a lawnmower sitting on it, it might wobble back and forth a lot more. Not real sure. Maybe I can just take those, cut them up, and then use them for support going across the two. But it's cold out here. This is an interesting project though. Second set of shelves that I've done in about 2 weeks now. Maybe a week and a half, not 2 weeks, I'd say about a week and a half. So $12 volt. Sure, maybe an 18 volt or 24 volt would be a bit nicer, but not bad for free. It was kind of a birthday present. I mean, there's not much else around here that I can tell you guys. Well, it did kind of snow outside. Let's see, can I make it out there? Redneck insulation. I found more of it. We've got about 10 inches of snow. No, not quite. We've got so little. Does seem to be flurrying though. Not all that sure on what flurries are going to do at this point, but well, at least the yard is covered again with snow. I can stop seeing green in January. Ugh, slippery too. Oh well, I'd say that's about good enough for now. Anyways, I'll let you guys know on what I'm gonna do next. Well, probably halfway after it's done, but you get the point. Not bad. Still haven't done anything with that one up there. Another free compression tester that I got. This one is kind of cool because well, that says compression ratio, and then it has the pressure that it should have. But I mean, it's all scratched up and actually hard to read in person. But oh well, not bad. Got that one for free too. And this free Honda motor, I guess. I don't know what it is. If you guys know what that thing is too, you know, let me know. For all I know, it came from Mars. Oh well, good enough. See you later, YouTubers.